Hey guys, you know us. It's Colton and Josh. Today we're actually doing. We've done this before on this channel. We did try to escape handcuffs, but it wasn't me in that video.
Yeah, it was my brother Blaze.
And we are going to do that again.
Except for we have shackles too.
Handcuffs.
And cuffs. Shackles, if you don't know what they are, if
In
you
prison,
get
they go around your ankles.
yeah, like if you try to escape, they'll put them around your ankles, for then you can't escape very fast.
You can't run very far.
Yeah,
very fast. Okay.
And they'll put them too tight that you can't. Yeah, you can't.
There you go. Here's the key. I'm doing it first. Okay, guys. We're going to do it like this. Oh. Turn that fan off. We were going to do a YouTube video of like farming and stuff, but some of you guys don't like that, so we're going to do a video of trying to escape handcuffs.
Yeah.
Last time it went viral. It was like 34 subscribers. No, 2 subscribers.
And 311 views.
Alright, I'm going to try breaking out of these.
If you give up, just tell me you want the key.
Did Blaze break out of them? Got it. I'm going to try getting my other side off because that's how this video is going to work.
You have to get both sides off to be able to do this challenge.
Well, not to be able to do it, but to escape.
Yeah.
Do you have the key, Colton, just in case? Where's the key at?
It's on the bed.
Very good. No, I gave it to you.
Yes, it's on the bed.
Right. Hey guys, I'm almost escaped. I don't give up yet. Ow, that hurt.
Key right here.
And these are real handcuffs too.
Heavy duty.
Yep, I need a key.
Okay. Oh, he failed. He failed.
We get to do it 2 times with each pair. Twice with each pair. He's gonna do shackles.
Yeah. I'm doing shackles.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna do it the hard way. Give me the handcuffs too.
There ain't no way he's escaping.
Okay. Ready to start?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, he got out the first one.
Yeah, I ain't getting none of these. Actually,
He's trying to get out of the shackles now.
1, 2.
Oh, he ain't getting out of those.
That's how you can tell.
You want the key?
Yeah, I need a key.
And in this, you have to let the other person get you out.
Yeah. You can't get out yourself just in case you are actually a prisoner.
Which neither of us are prisoners.
Yeah. We're just doing this to show you guys what to do.
Oh, that keychain don't work. Do you know what happened to those sheriff pairs?
Yeah, you remember I hooked them onto the front porch gate?
Wait, are they still out there?
No, my dad cut it off.
Oh, I wished you wouldn't have. We could have got him out. Alright, guys, I'm going to try again to get out. I think I will do it this time.
Next time?
Wait, if I can do it. Alright. So, this time I'm going to try it with the handcuffs again. My arm's still red from where I slid them off halfway. And they got stuck. Okay.
I'm going to put the shackles on here for the next round that I'm doing.
Okay, ready, go. Oh, I'm almost out. Need to get out of these. Got out of those.
10, 9.
No, it's not time.
Okay. Tighten it more. And he is out.
Nope. Oh! Yeah, you guys, you better like that one. You better like that, please. I just escaped a pair of actual handcuffs. My hands are red from where I slid them off at.
Oh, whoops. Key.
Oh, crap. I don't know where they are. Oh,
Josh.
crap.
Josh.
They're not on you, are they? Good.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Oh, alright. Okay, we found the key, guys.
Yeah, we did.
Alright, here's my hand. It's red and hurting. There's a blister.
Okay, put
on
it behind my back.
Oh, no.
Wait, no, I got him myself.
Oh, gosh. He's trying to escape from behind his back.
Nope, you have to have the key for this.
Where's the key at?
Right underneath my leg. Wait.
Oh, gosh.
For the chain right there.
Do you want me to connect it?
Yeah, what's the chain? Okay. Key.
No.
This trick you have to.
Oh, he's trying to get out with the key. I think he found the hole. But he ain't in it yet.
Cut out this one. You can't look the whole time.
Oh, guys, he's almost in the hole.
Wait, I did this challenge wrong. Dang it.
Why?
But hey, that's on me.
Why did you do it wrong?
Because I have to get the shackle out first.
Oh. So you can't get out first. You have to get the shackles out first. Yeah. I scraped your back. Okay, you're in. I don't have it.
It's right behind you.
No, it's not. Golden stain. Oh, I found it. What? Why'd you call me stupid? Why'd you call me stupid? Don't call me stupid. Oh no, we have problems. The hole's on the other side.
Yeah, I was feeling it. Yeah.
Oh, my head.
This is the hard part. So, I did this before, guys.
You hear him trying to escape? Trying to escape the shackles. He did it. He did his job. You know, I think this is kind of cheap because he has the key.
No, you have to feel for it the whole too.
And you didn't do the challenge I did. Are you ready to get out of those?
Well,
It's on the bottom. It's on the bottom.
bottom of what?
The handcuffs. It's down here.
That's where I'm at.
You are on top. He's sad. He's stuck in these suckers.
No, I'm not.
Oh gosh. He's desperate to get out of them. Alright guys, I think you're going to like this video. It ain't short, but it ain't long either.
Alright, hole. That's alright.
He escaped. Alright, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. I got to do my second challenge. You're going to have to hook these shackles up to me.
Oh, crap.
I'm doing the same challenge you just did. But I'm doing it forwards. And I can't look. I just have to slide my hands around and stuff. Alright, get the camera on me. Oh, I did it wrong. I can't even get myself. Crap, I can't get the key out now. Oh no. Crap. There we go. Oh, alright, guys.
Okay. This is probably going to be the worst challenge I've ever did. Okay. Just telling you right now. Worst challenge I ever did in my life. I've never did this challenge. Never. Josh?
Yeah.
Hand me the key.
Oh no.
Through the key, guys.
I know what challenge he's talking about. We've done this one time, and we never found the key. But we ended up finding it.
Okay. I can get that off me.
Those are hard to get off, though. I didn't do them that way. I did them real hard to get off.
5.
I'm gonna look to make sure it's not lost. Did you hook up? Can you slide out of those, Colton?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
They're both the same length.
Hey, just in case we do lose the key.
Before I don't have to go to the PlayStation.
Colton, we have a problem. It's behind your dresser.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You see it behind there?
No, but it's not up here nowhere. I heard it bounce off. I heard it. guys, we got a problem. We got what we think is a problem. Can you find it? We lost the key. He slid out of them. And you can tell he slid out of them because they're still locked. Besides this one because he threw it. Alright guys, I'm going to do a real quick challenge.
Help me.
Hold on. Alright guys, this is our last challenge because we lost the key. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, we got it. Ready? That was not good enough. Oh yeah, there ain't no way I'm getting in those. Alright guys. That's our... Did you find it?
No.
It's our last challenge for the day. If we find it, we'll get back on and we'll see how many views this video has. Okay, bye. Thanks.